I have a farmer that I know. Actually, this farmer is not far away from where we are doing poultry from. It's just, I think, 1 hour from our place. Now, this farmer lost previously a few months ago, I think 5 months now. He's just recovering from the loss that he made, and he doesn't know, he cannot even track where it came from. Now, his birds were poisoned, and yeah, they said they were poisoned, and he lost 2070 birds. Guys, 2070 birds on one farm. That is too much. That is way, way, way too much. Now, I've got so many of you. I think you're around 20 plus people who have inboxed me, and the first thing you want is to come to my farm. Well, I'm a young girl. I'm a young girl trying to save up money and try to do something that I love, something of like I have passion in. So I cannot really take it even when I lose 500 birds or 1000 birds. I've just started, I've put all my savings in this business, and honestly, right now I have trust issues. I have trust issues, and me and the people that I'm working with, the people that are helping me, my employees, sorry, yeah, my employees, we decided not to bring people on our farm. The only people that come on our farm are the people who brings us like the feeds, vitamins, like, and we have only two people that we trust that can do that. So we can't let everyone or anyone else to come to our farm because people are really bad. I'm not saying you who have inboxed me you're going to kill my birds, but honestly it is so scaring, and these birds are really delicate, and you have to be vigilant. You can trust people, but a lot of things can go wrong. Even when you've like someone has not poisoned the birds, of course they can catch diseases, and you're not treating these diseases. It's so costly. It is really, really costly, and I cannot put my farm on danger just because I want people to come and prove what I have and all that. So for those people who like to be helped, I can help you when you're not on my farm. I personally, I tell you here, I don't want your money unless you want more information that needs me to sit down, uh, compile for you things, or you need medicine, you need vaccines and all that. That's when I charge you, but I give you information here for free for you to consume and learn something. But if you want extra, we can do it online. I can also meet you somewhere, but I cannot allow people to come on my farm. So for if the only thing that can make you start a farm is to come to my farm, then you rather leave it. You rather leave it. So because people are doing so many things to others, to other people's businesses, and they cannot literally risk that. I'm afraid that is not going to happen. Now, I've not been so consistent because I've been sick and I've been so busy. But I promise we're going to be consistent again. I'm going to be giving you videos like before, and not in a daily, maybe 2 or 3 videos a week, and I'm going to try as much as possible to answer the questions that you asked previously. So I'm making content for you because I'm up and down, but I'm also recording lots and lots of content, and I'm also answering your questions. So be patient with me, but you can still drop your questions because I want to drop an answer with a question. I hope, sorry, a video with an answer in it. So I hope that makes sense. But otherwise, we are doing well. Look at our birds. This one started laying last month. Actually, we made 4 months, and we are in the fifth month actually, and we started laying. But yeah, have not been giving you feedback. I know I said I stopped when we were at 3 months, but right now we are this is the fifth. Okay, so I don't know what you want to know, but I have content that is coming soon. Anyway, I'm going to leave you watch this video at the end. So for those who I have disappointed about visiting my farm and all that, I'm so sorry in advance, but I'm going to try to give you information that you need to know here. But if you also need more information in details, you can inbox me and we see how I can help you. But remember that comes with an extra coins. At least you have to pay for consultation, then I make for you something that is worth it paying for and saving your farm. I hope that is clear. I hope you love this video. You can comment with whatever you want, but let's be respectful, and I love you guys.
Maybe another thing that I would like you to know about this, I've not talked about the food, the stages at which you have to change the food or the feed for these birds. And again, most of you are asking me about the like which breeds are these and all that. I have two different breeds, but these specifically they are Isa Red. So about the stages now, right now we are on like tulizi wa mele ya kuleinga, like we start with pallets, of course, at birth, and then for the first 2 months, actually 1.5 months, they have to be on pallets. You have to give them pallets. It's expensive, but you have to do it. And then after you give them grower, right now we are giving them like layer, yolk laying amaji. So there is grower, there is egg boosting, there is you have so many concentrates that you have to incorporate in that food or in the feed in order to get something that is effective. So you have to learn all these things. But some of you, when you come into my in my inbox, you want me to give you everything, like from start to finish, for free. Oba tosobola ngamba nga njanga ntekayo.